It's February 20th, 2024. As you can see, the garden hasn't changed much, except for broccolini. Looks like it's dead. And the rhubarb is sprouting now. It's always one of the earliest one to sprout. And here are the bulb plants. Here's the Persian pearl tulip. As you can see, it has already started sprouting. And here's summer snowflakes. It's also sprouting. And we have crocus over here. You can see some sprouts coming out. And over here's the grape hyacinth. Looks like it's dying, not sure. As for the patio, we have the hydrangea. Looks like the hydrangea is sprouting now. Also, the winter jewel is flowering. I'll give you a few close-up of the flowers. All of the flowers from the Phalaenopsis have opened. And the pineapple fruit is still getting bigger slowly.